Hi, this is Debbie with Kitchen 330. I want to show you how easy it is to order dinner from our website. So if you just go to kitchen330.com, we have a different different homepage here. This is what you're going to see. And if you want to take a look at the menu, just scroll down because I do have the menu up here. And then just go in to order your dinner. Now what's really super nice about this is that you can schedule your dinner. You don't have to sit there Friday at 5 o'clock and say, I think, let's order from Kitchen 330. You can say, today, Monday, at 7 o'clock tonight, I want to order dinner for Saturday. So you go in, and this is the screen you get, and I have tried to upload as many pictures as I could that I've taken this weekend. I forgot to take the pork and the vegetarian family dinners. But pretty much I have almost all the pictures in. So say you want to pick up Saturday, and you want to pick it up at 6:30. That's it. All you do is schedule it for pickup or delivery. If you schedule it for delivery, we deliver to Stone Harbor, Avalon, and Courthouse, and Kyle will be your delivery person. So anyway, so I'm going to schedule this for my order pickup for Saturday at 6:30. And whatever you want, say the Caribbean meatballs, the screen will come up, and you can put in how many that you want. Say I want 2 orders because they are really good. And actually everything's really good. And scroll on down and say maybe you want a vegetarian risotto. Yeah, one of those. And say the pork cheeks, one of those. And let's say we want this awesome freaking duck dinner. And then when you pick on the dinners, you also have to make sure you choose the hummus, the salad, and the apple pie. And that is so when it comes in the kitchen, we see the items that it's with. And then you have to check out, and you'll check out, and you'll put in your name, your email, your payment method, and if you would like to tip, and you'll submit it. And you'll get an email with your order confirmation, and an email gets sent to me at the restaurant. Then I send it to Gus so he knows, so he can plan on the food orders for the week. So it's that simple, and I hope to see you while I'm putting the order on the takeout table in front of the restaurant, and you're picking up in a nice wave. So thanks. And we'll get through this together, and we can't wait to have you in the dining room.